Number 10, Nurse Esme is conducting a dietary assessment on a client who is on a vegan diet. The nurse provides dietary teaching and should focus on foods high in which vitamin that may be lacking in a vegan diet. So alin sa mga sumusunod na ito ang magiging deficiency ng mga vegan patients? Remember guys, itong mga vegan, hindi sila kumakain ng meat. Ano pa? Hindi rin sila kumakain ng dairy products at meat products. Okay? Now, sa vegan, marami pang mga different classifications. May lacto-ovo, may lacto-vegan, marami yan. Okay? But in this case, we're focusing on vegan diet. Letter B. So, remember, vegans do not consume any animal products and usually, si vitamin B12, nakukuha lang siya or abundant siya sa animal products such as meat. Okay? Red meat specifically.